Sonyulyande, Maulamu Wange, Amutsima Wange Nesumi, Wabasinga, Amagezi Gande, Yonabi Kola, Yenami Kola Rakulera, Jima Mufena. Kitungo, Dora Singero Balakendere, Wezine Bodo Kujukwa, Nayatanze Segeda Putu, Nayevanji, Babanji, Nayamurina Sarawo, Namiranya Pusanorira, Kubakwa Segera Balo. Sichasekera kubala kunyemo Somebody Nemere na yonyange sendeka Listen Sukari na yengamukawa Pulira ntwate nyomo kwano Sichisobola besokuleka Kwebulamu bwange Nzisamu mukona wange bakusema wesibache kuyamba sabazema wachiri bachichimukwane era nawe mubuzibu sikusule mamamu nawe kusuza sikujane Thank you so much. I really wanted Lillian to make it today, but she had to cancel in the last minutes. But I'm glad that you guys are still having a good time with me, yeah? All right. You know, for our child, we find it very hard to apologize. When we make a mistake, it's very hard to say sorry. It's really hard. So then I said, I'm going to This is the song for you right here. I wrote this song, every line, and I meant it. And today I want to sing it to you like this. So good to see you here, Mommy. Can you believe this audience, Mommy? I feel so blessed today. saweza jabila wewe asali wa moyo wangu na amini nilikuumiza rohoni na amini pia ulilia machozi mengi anasema nimekukosa sasa hivi umechoka. So I have to say yeah. Thank you. Nakula nyimbe zaba artist abanene time mayo. Nyimbe za Whitney Houston, za Mariah Carey. Ngolwimba luno. Today is about my journey from the very beginning. When I came to Tano Mukaga, Mama wange yampulira nga nyimba mu church nangamba mwana wange ukimanyi ogenda kubeera munene nga bano ba Mariah Carey. Osekera, ukimanyi ogenda kubeera munene nga bano ba Chaka Chaka. So all parents, be careful what you tell your children because look at me now. She gave me a reason to dream. Gave me a
tumukubire mu ngalo nabe munyanya batulire mukube mu ngalo nabe munyanya bawulire
If you're not like me, you're not like y'all. Some never wrong, me not coming more. If you're not like me, you're not like y'all. Some never wrong, me not coming more. No matter what you say, we still standing. Alright, listen, now let me recognize the theater. I'm a real hitter, but take her. I'm an onion and get one you never choke with her. Hit and hit that spitting and them know that. Hit up and on your angle with a nova. Who can the symbol and music in them but choose her. Somebody help me sing it. the bambuza. Never money the songs that you didn't teach. And me a hustle every day like a farm. I never comfortable, I'm always alone. No teaser, big time achiever with a hat of gold. But it's over, somebody say. Simple saga. And then it's strong women in the VIP tonight. Come on, say. Yes. This one is for us women tonight. No matter what you say, we're still standing. Give me the bass and the drums right there. Listen it up. Syllabus. You don't like me, then I am boss. You want to copy me, then very has. Yes, it come on now. Me a was. Say listen it up. Syllabus. You don't like me, then I am boss. You want to copy me, then very has. Yes, it come on now. Me a was. I'm voila. You can't say. So you're gonna sing with Saga. No matter what, no matter what's not there. So you're gonna sing with Saga. Me no care what you say. You don't like me, I don't like you too. Sing with Saga. So never wow, I don't care. I don't care, nothing me not care. You don't like me, I don't like ya. Sing with Saga. So never wow, sing another wow. No matter what you say, we still standing. Alright. Thank you so much for making this happen tonight, man. Sorry, but don't let somebody go team City.